When snake bites somebody, it dies in some cases as a result of that. If the venom is it venom the word?
Yes.
People or animal die if the snake bites. But why the snake himself or itself does not die?
Yes, this is a good question. But it is because the snake's poison is not released to his own body, but it's kept in a sort of bag from which it cannot pass out. The walls are made such as it cannot pass out into the snake's blood. And again, it's an amazing thing which no evolution can describe why it happened. It has two nails which are turned like this, and in between, inside the nails, there is a narrow passage, and when the snake strikes, when it turns its head backwards to take the teeth back out of the wound, then the poison is released, and it goes through the very narrow channel within the tooth or within the teeth, and the poison is infused into the blood system. That is why the scientists tell us that if the snake strikes you before it takes its head out, if you pull it, no damage can be done to you, because the poison will not be released until it does it by its own motion of the head, backward motion of the head. Amazing thing, right?